everybody, Danny here. Well, I'm back, and thank you, Ann, so very much for filling in and doing such a fine job. Let's head on over to Easel and start this lesson series, okay? I'll meet you there. And here we are, back again. Good to be with everybody. Okay, we got a fun picture here, nice little landscape. And we don't have a whole hail of a lot of blue sky in here in this. We're just going to dampen an area. We'll just put some cerulean blue or whatever blue you've got. Okay, I just happen to dab into the cerulean, and we'll just call that pretty much the sky. Now, we're just using the white of the paper to be the clouds, but we want a little bit of stuff in the clouds, you know? We want some darkness like you'd have in clouds from time to time. And the way we're going to get that is we're going to put some gray in there. This is Payne's gray. It's kind of a blue gray. And it will serve us well for our cloudy appearance. Now tomorrow, what we're going to do is we'll start working on this far background, and we're just going to come forward in the painting. So be with me tomorrow, please. And be sure to like, subscribe, hit the link, leave comments. We need the comments. And remember to share and understand and know that Ann and I love you very much. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. We're off to a pretty doggone good start, I think. Be with me tomorrow. Remember that in the meantime, Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.